So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a hose bib back here. The property at some point, they had a stub out back here for irrigation. There was no valve or a hose faucet put on. And what they did is they took some iron pipe off of this and went straight into the ground. No union, no shut off, nothing. And so it finally gave. It corroded through, and I'll show you a picture of it in a minute. So all we did, there's two issues here. One, how do you get water back over to the yard bib, which is just around the corner, and then there's also one by the back gate. Honestly, you don't need those. You need one faucet for back here. Feel free to tie back in underground. It's all iron pipe. You're going to have the same problem again. So if you want to get that tied back in, it's all down there on the ground. We won't touch it. Iron pipe, no. You'd have to retrench everything, put PVC in, go over to that yard bib. If you want to tie the other one back in, same thing. We won't tie into any of this existing material. So that hose bib in the back corner is dead. It's killed. So is that one right there. But brand new quarter turn on, quarter turn off. That guy, stainless steel ball, brass fittings, works great. So water's back onto the home, and we just tied in the hose right here. Now it's pretty wet. This is going to dry up because it was flooding under the floor, and it's also flooded the side here. There's water all in the crawl space down there. Nothing we knew about that besides let it dry. So second project is, if you feel like you want to do something back here, then certainly, do all that's in your heart. We're with you. But this here, it provides, a source to hook a hose up. So that's the way we're going to leave it. First problem resolved, leak under soil. Here's the leak under the soil. This guy right here, you can see. That guy. So, raw pipe, not taped, nothing. You can see it. And right there, it's got a 3/4 half 90. And that's where it was spraying water. And so we cut it, just cut the top, cut everything apart, put those fittings on that I just showed you, but you can see that's what everything down there looks like. This was up high in the soil above ground. This is what happens to iron pipe in soil. So that's the whole yard back there, right to here. So that's dead. I know she likes that bib there, but you have one now. So you could stop there, in my opinion, and not do one more thing. We talked about trenching and whatnot, but you got a big tree here, 40, 50, however old this home is. And if you hit those roots, then you could have a huge problem. Dead tree falling on the house, whatnot. So we'll give you a holler, let you know what can be done. Outside of that, this installation is done.